Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing great. I'm also doing great here, and now I'm going to road trip. And once again, welcome to my channel. And I'm going to Tudela today, near of the ocean. And today climate is very nice to road trip. It's like cloudy, all cloudy, and I hope it will not rain. And anyway, the weather is very nice. So now I'm heading to Tudela now. So alright guys, I'm heading to Tudela now. As you can see, weather is very nice. See? The good news, I got license, but it's a student permit license because I cannot make strictly non-professional, so I have to wait at least 1 month. So after that I can make non-professional license. So maybe I'll gonna get non-professional license next month. So I have now only the student permit license. So even student permit license, it works. So no need to worry about the gentleman police officer. And the one thing is, I almost it's 950. I already got subscriber. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. Now I hope next maybe this month I'll able to get 1K subscriber. I hope so, guys, because you guys are supporting me. So, and the one thing is, I don't know, my views is not so going good. Please suggest me. What should I do? Just advise me that I can improve my video. So please comment below. And once again, thank you so much for supporting me. Here is slope. It's a blind curve, so I cannot overtake. It's really risky, and I suggest you guys also who are riding, do not overtake on curving road. It's a high possible to get accident. It's okay, we can wait few minutes, we'll be late maybe, but life is important, guys. Oh, here is already complete a bridge, so I can This is called tora guys in Philippines. It's a passenger carry tricycle. We can say tricycle also. I feel a little bit cold. Huh. Oh, there's cat on the street. They don't go away. Maybe they're already used to sit on the road. See, you can see there. They are not afraid. That's how many times I told you guys, this is the cause most of the accident. Oh, the guys bring a chicken. Maybe that's for chicken fighting or for eating, I don't know. Here's the gasoline station, but I have still a lot left. It's okay for today, no need to put gasoline. Maybe I would like to go this way. Oh, this is really damn slope. This one is hard. See, here also dog. They are not so afraid. So guys, I like to go there. People are fishing. Here is the fishing boat, I think. This one is the helipad. You can see the shape here. I think this one is the, I'm sure this one is the big. Maybe this shape will go so far. This is for fishing, I think. This one. So guys, it was a good ride, and you guys like my video, and thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.